Welcome to Great Bear Tales, an authentic look at the people, places, and stories of the Great Bear Rainforest. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below.
Welcome to the enchanting world of Canada's Great Bear Rainforest, a treasure trove of biodiversity nestled along British Columbia's Pacific coast. This vast unspoiled temperate forest is not just a sanctuary for flora, but a haven for an extraordinary array of wildlife, both on land and at sea. In this captivating corner of the world, you'll find a variety of bears and wolves, impressive whales, graceful deer, cougars, sea lions, playful otters, and so much more. It's a wildlife hotspot for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Here, the iconic spirit bear, a unique white-coated subspecies of the black bear, roams freely. With an estimated population of just 500, these solitary creatures, measuring up to 6 feet in length, are a rare and mystical sight, deeply revered in indigenous mythology. The forest also houses the more common, yet equally fascinating black bear. Agile and mostly plant-eating, these bears, weighing up to 270 kilograms, showcase an incredible adaptation to forest life. Then there's the mighty grizzly bear, the largest in the region, known for its distinctive shoulder humps and massive size, with males reaching up to 500 kilograms. These solitary giants hibernate for months, emerging in spring with a voracious appetite. But it's not just about the bears. The coastal wolves of the rainforest demonstrate remarkable adaptability. Weighing around 70 to 80 pounds, these wolves are proficient swimmers, often hunting for salmon and other marine life, playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. The ocean waters adjacent to the forest teem with vibrant marine life, including dolphins, orcas, majestic humpback whales. Easily recognizable by their impressive breeches and distinctive humps, humpbacks can span up to 60 feet in length and undertake some of the longest migrations of any mammal. Great Bear Rainforest is not only a sanctuary for mammals, but a paradise for bird watchers as well. From majestic bald eagles, known for their impressive 2-meter wingspan and acute vision, to peregrine falcons, osprey, and white pelicans, the skies are alive with avian wonders. So come, experience a mesmerizing tapestry of wildlife in Great Bear Rainforest, a world-class wildlife haven that promises an unforgettable journey into the heart of nature's most incredible creations, where each species plays its own part in the symphony of this biodiverse ecosystem. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more Great Bear Tales adventures.
Thanks for watching Great Bear Tales. If you have any comments, questions, tips for visitors, or just want to share your own story from the Great Bear Rainforest, please leave them below. We read every post. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Great Bear Tales channel. It really does make a difference.